Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to change review on TikTok Shop. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. So as you can see right now, I am on the shop page of TikTok right here. So for example, I ordered something like for example this one. I just need to head over and then buy this specific product. Now, I can see that I have my cart right here, and on this cart right here, I should be able to see all of the things that I have ordered. So, for example, I already ordered it and I already received it. What I can do is I can click in here on my profile, or you can also just scroll up and you can see these three lines right here. And in here, you can see your orders. So, head over and click on orders. And then from in here, you can see all the orders you have made. So for example, you already made an order, they will appear right here on the all page or to this to review page. So if you have this to review page, you should be able to see all the products that you have right here. So if you already have a product that you have already ordered, you can click on that product and then you can write a review on that specific product that you have ordered. So in here, we can actually just put in here a review and you can change it if you're unsatisfied with the actual product that you have received. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.